Welcome back to our video course on time management. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of measuring how you currently spend your time. Measuring how you currently spend your time is an important step in understanding where your time is being spent and identifying areas that need improvement. By tracking your time, you can gain insight into your habits and patterns and make more informed decisions about how to use your time more effectively. One way to measure how you spend your time is to use a time tracking app or a simple spreadsheet. These tools allow you to record your activities and the amount of time spent on each. After a few days, you can review your tracking data and identify patterns and habits in your time usage. Another way to measure your time is to use the Pomodoro Technique. This technique involves breaking your work into short intervals, called Pomodoros, and taking short breaks between them. You can use a timer or a Pomodoro app to track your Pomodoros. This technique can be particularly helpful for those who find it hard to focus on a task for a long period of time. It's also important to keep in mind that measuring your time is not a one-time task. It should be done regularly to identify changes in your habits and patterns. This will help you to make adjustments as needed and stay on track with your time management goals. By measuring how you currently spend your time, you will be able to identify areas that need improvement, make more informed decisions about how to use your time more effectively, and achieve your goals. In the next video, we will be discussing the importance of setting priorities and goals and how it can help you manage your time more effectively. Remember, time management is a process that requires practice and patience, so be willing to adjust and adapt as you go along. Thank you for watching this video on measuring how you currently spend your time. We hope it helps you gain a better understanding of your time usage and improve your time management skills.